Probably one of the most controversial changes yet for Tesla. We're going to go over exactly what has changed, and it's not the price, but it's going to affect your wallet big time. Let's go over exactly what has changed in this new Tesla update. So there hasn't been a change on Tesla pricing today, but there has been an announcement on what is not included. The buzz that is going around everywhere, all over Twitter and the Tesla community, the mobile wall connector, the mobile charger that came with your Tesla as a free product and a free accessory is no longer being included. But don't worry, you can buy one on the website. But unfortunately, they're sold out, so you can't, and it's gonna cost you $400. So look, this is a decision that I frankly 100% do not agree with. Imagine spending $45, $55, $110,000 on a Tesla and you have no way to charge it. In fact, you're gonna have to wait until you get the adapter needed to charge your car. That is exactly what has happened right now with Tesla not including the mobile connector for most charging outlets. So if you watch this channel, you know that I have a 1450 NEMA outlet. Now this is essentially an appliance outlet, but it will give you 35 approximately miles per hour in charge on your Tesla. And to connect the NEMA outlet to your Tesla, you need the mobile connector. Well, right now it is $400 on the Tesla website, and it is out of stock. So if you currently have an order, there is no answer on this right now, whether or not you're going to have the mobile connector or not. But I can tell you, guaranteed, if you're planning on ordering a Tesla, you will not get that complimentary mobile adapter. This is a big deal because not only is it out of stock, but you will have no way to charge your Tesla. Now, Tesla recently removed the word included on the mobile adapter description of your order. So before, the mobile adapter was included. Well, now just recently, this just happened, it was removed. So it says on the description, the mobile connector will charge your Tesla, but it does not say that that mobile connector is included. So I'm going to tell you exactly why this happened. What is Elon's reasoning for this happening? Let's go to Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, check out my Twitter page, Front to Trunk. But Elon said usage statistics were super low, so seemed wasteful. On the minor plus side, we will be including more plug adapters with the mobile connector kit. So what does this really mean? Well, again, Elon is saying that the usage of the mobile connector, something that Tesla can track, is not very high, but I find that very hard to believe when most people charge at home and they're going to install a wall connector from Tesla or a NEMA outlet. So this is definitely something where other Tesla owners on Twitter have sounded off, with comments being made that while maybe some owners don't use it, the cost of $300 or $400 extra dollars for this mobile connector adapter is a tough pill to swallow. It really does leave a bad taste in your mouth. Imagine spending $55, $65, $100,000 and you're not getting the adapter that is needed to charge your car. Now, of course, if you don't need the adapter, it's not going to really affect you. But here's the thing. A lot of owners are pleading with Elon, saying that this is a mistake and at least offering this mobile connector for Tesla owners, or if you've ordered your Tesla already, at a discount. Because imagine if you buy the car and you spend $50,000+ and then you have to spend $300 or $400 more, plus maybe you want the windows tinted, plus you need winter tires, accessories, PPF. A lot of those things are optional, but it really does come as good measure when you're buying a really nice car like a Tesla. And I know for whenever I ordered my car, I factored in a few $100s just to include or install my NEMA outlet. And then now current owners are going to have to budget the extra hundreds of dollars for the mobile adapters. So a lot of owners are really pleading for maybe this being a discounted item at checkout. So we'll have to see. There's been a lot of strong comments. I'm reading them right now on Twitter. If this decision is going to be reversed, maybe it'll be offered at a discount. Only time will tell. So if you're thinking about buying a Tesla and you just got this bad news, I want to tell you, as someone who's driven 10,000 plus miles in my Model 3, I use this mobile adapter almost every other day. Why this is important? Well, a lot of new owners won't realize that you need this to charge your car. And on this channel, I've talked about the 1450 NEMA adapter. I've talked about the wall connector. Well, you really do need this mobile charger to go from a NEMA adapter or a NEMA outlet to your Tesla. You cannot charge without it. So, I mean, this is a huge deal. I want to know what you think. So, is this something that you have the budget for? Is this a big surprise that'll maybe potentially cause you to exit the market for a Tesla? What are your thoughts on this big decision to not include the mobile adapter as a complementary product? Now look, I'm not trying to say that a Tesla is completely a bad decision because of this one choice. A Tesla is still a very worthwhile car if you are comparing in this price range already. Now obviously you shouldn't stretch your budget more than what you're comfortable with. But if you're already in the market for, let's say, a mid to higher end, maybe a luxury vehicle, and you're comparing a Tesla maybe to a BMW, to an Audi or a Lexus, or whatever it happens to be, I 100% feel that a Tesla is worth the money because you're saving again on the gas and so many other benefits. But because you're having to spend more upfront, this is a tough pill to swallow. Again, let me know your comments and your thoughts below. So it's happening more and more often. We're gonna track the prices. We're gonna track what else changes. Now it's the mobile adapter. Next, it could be who knows what. Prices for the paint or for the interior options, wait times, delivery times. We have no idea, but what I do know is we're gonna keep you updated. But what I don't know is if you like this content. And the only way I know you'll like it is to drop a like so I know you enjoyed it. My name is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. To see more reviews and news on Tesla, make sure to subscribe and we will see you in the next video.